At the base of the HoverCam, there are 5 buttons. The autofocus, which looks for the optimal focus at any given time. Autofocus, which locks the focus in place. You can rotate the camera by pressing the 180-degree button. You can zoom in and out using the zoom button and the zoom out button. There is an on and off switch for 2 levels of illumination on the side of the camera. You can rotate the camera 45 degrees one way and 45 degrees the other way. You can also flex the camera and use it as a webcam. On the head of the camera, there is a knob that lets you change the camera to portrait mode or landscape mode.